In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Bitwarden Password Manager and get comfortable with its main features. Bitwarden is a secure and reliable password manager that helps you store, manage, and protect your passwords and sensitive information in one place. It works across devices, so you can access your data on your computer, phone, or tablet without needing to remember dozens of passwords. Once you log into Bitwarden, you'll land on a clean and easy to use dashboard. On the left side, you will see vaults, which is where all your saved information lives. This includes logins, secure notes, and other sensitive items. You can also create folders here to keep everything neatly organized and easy to find. Next is Sender Bitwarden Send. Lets you securely share passwords or notes with others using end-to-end encryption. It's perfect when you need to share sensitive information safely without exposing it through email or messaging apps. Below that, you'll find tools. This section includes helpful features like the password generator, which creates strong and unique passwords for your accounts. There's also a password strength checker to help you identify weak or reuse passwords. Then comes reports, where you can review your overall security. This section highlights weak passwords, reused passwords, and even alerts you if any of your saved accounts may be involved in known data breaches. Finally, head to settings to customize your Bitwarden experience. Here you can manage preferences, enable two-factor authentication, and fine-tune your security options. And that's it. With these basics, you are ready to start using Bitwarden confidently and take a big step towards stronger online security.